Hi, I'm Aimee Bertrand, Executive Vice President and CEO of the Greater Houston Builders Association. GHBA is a trade organization that proudly represents all aspects of residential building in our 11 county region. Our members are involved in home building, remodeling, and development. And I speak for our members when I express concern for our community that has again been devastated by natural disaster. I wanted to share with you the resources we have available to help you navigate through the stages of recovery, whether it's restoring, repairing, or rebuilding your home. Simply go to the GHBA website at www.ghba.org. And on the homepage, you will find a box to click for disaster resources. This link will take you to several options: tips to stay safe during winter weather, using a generator safely, and finding a reputable remodeler or builder. I can't stress enough the importance of being alert during your interview process for a contractor. It is imperative that you notice signs that a contractor is not working in your best interest. The guidelines this link provides could save you thousands of dollars. You can also scroll below on the same page where you will find a number of videos that include frequently asked questions about damaged homes and others that cover the specific details of managing the stages of repair. When you're ready to search for a contractor, this page provides a link called Hire a Pro. You will find a list of GHBA members who offer services including remodeling and construction. Just go to Business Activity. There you will find the option for locating a GHBA member who is a remodeler or a builder. I want to encourage you to take advantage of the resources that are just a click away to getting started in the right direction. Also, please stay tuned as we are continuing to update the GHBA website with resources, announcements, alerts, and tips for managing this crisis. Thank you and stay warm.